Okay, so yeah, game Mubabu. Yeah, game Mubabu Guinea. That is in English, it is called verb. It is called what? Verb. It is called what? Verb. Yes, yeah, na kwa. That's to be careful. Verb. So, mgbe na-ekwu maka okwu a, enwere mkpụrụ okwu dị iche iche eji akọwa ngwa. Enwere mkpụrụ okwu dị iche iche bụ ngwa. There are so many words that are verb. There are so many words that are verb words. Words. That is what we want to look at now. So, otu n'ime okwu ndị a, ọtụtụ n'ime okwu ndị a bụ nke mbụ bụ gaa. Go. You are reading it from there. Before that, you know that guy is Ga. Ga is what? Go. Ga. Go. What about Bia? Come. Come. Wow. Bia is come. Gawa is go. Ga is go. Bia is come. Chota is fine. Chota is fine. Where is he going? Oh, even Bia is even there. Ria is E. Ria is E. All of them, they're looking at that book. They're looking at that book. Open it. Let them look. We are just learning. We are not. Yeah, open your book. Yeah, open your book. I'm looking at tennis. Ria is E. Wasa is spread. Wasa is spread. Tinye. Put. Tinye. Put. Tufuo. Trash. Trash or throw away. Throw away. Tufuo. Trash or. So if somebody says tufuo ya, that is trash it away or throw it away. Tufuo ya. Okay. Tufuo. What about sie? Cook. Sie? Cook. Twa? True. Za? Sweet. Jikere? Dress up or get ready. Yes, that is jikere. Zota? Buy. Zota? Buy. Le? Look. Le? Look. Ngo? Drink. Ngo? Drink. Weta? Drink. Weta? Drink. Wo? Speak. Wo? Speak. Bo? Call. Bo? Call. Okay. Are we going to college soon? Uchie? Cover. Uchie? Cover. Uchie? Cover. Kechie? Style. Kechie? Style. Genti? Listen. Genti? Listen. Iri? Wear. Iri? Wear. Yipu? Ulo. Yipu? Ulo. Yipu? Ulo. Buo? Kill. Buo? Kill. Buo? Kill. De? Right. De? Right. De? Right. De? Right. Hicha? Clean or white. Hicha? Clean or white. Me? Do. Me? Do. Rahora? Sleep. Rahora? Sleep. Sa? Wash. Sa? Wash. Nye? Give. Nye? Give. Oh yeah, go back to the beginning. From Ga? Ga. From Ga. Go. So I want you, all of you, to start reading it like this. Ga, go. Chota, fine. Desa, keep. Bia, come. Re, eat. Basa, spread. Can you do it? Huh? And you take it slowly. You don't be fast. If you say it fast, I will stop you. Okay. Now let's go. Otu, Apo, Ato, Dido, Ga, go. Chota, fine. Desa, keep. Ya, So we're not saying the Igbo one. Basa, pray. Tinye, food. Tufo, trash. Sie, cook. Twa, throw. Za, swing. Jikere,
Rest up or get ready.
Zuta, buy. Play, look. One, drink. Waiter, bring. Wo, speak. Call. Buchie, cover. Kejie, tire. Genti, listen. You be saying both of them. Genti, listen. You say go Gent and both listen. Both of them together. Don't wait until to say for you. You are the one saying it. Oh yeah, continue. From 21. From 21. Genti, listen. Yiri, where? Yibu, pull up. Wo, kill. They right. Licha, clean or white. Do. Raura, sleep. Sa, wash. Ye, give. Okay, we are going to do it again. One more time. Then I'll start asking questions. One more time. Maybe no. Come go to the other. Oh yeah. When we are done learning, you follow. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Learn, know it first. From the beginning again. Otu, abo, ato, bido,
Gabo, chota, vai, desaki, biako, rei,
wasa, spray.
Trash or throw away.
Good.
Yeah.
Nasia, sie. Okay, 13. That is a keche. Not genty, genty. That's right.
Clean or white.
Do. Sleep. game ya page by page. Starting from Olisa. Olisa, starting from you. One, two, three, four. I make a man of when I game 2 pages. You have about 5 for 2 pages. Yeah, you have one. Appreciate you. Let's present it. For how many more page? Yes, I know it. Okay, okay, Olisa, you read these 2 pages. Okut will read these 2 pages. Another Udot will read these 2 pages like that. We're going 2 by 2. So now if I count 3, you start. O2, Abo. Speak louder. O2, Abo, Ato, Bido, Ga,
Go, Tota,
Desa,
Ya,
Lie, Wasa, Kroniaka, na Kokwa Keba. Then the next page on number 17. Okuchuku. Is that how you're supposed to say? Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido. Speak loud. Tufuo. Sie, there's no R here. It's Sie. Tuo. Good. The next person, Kroniaka. The next person from number 18. Udochukwu, Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido, Zota, Bad. Mwa. Wo. Ba. Stand up. Kroniaka. Stand up. I want money. No, you're not going to say anything. Because you're so quiet in your call. Why are you like this? What's that? Oh, yeah. Here you can wait. Girl, okay, good girl. I will help you. Think I can go to the weekend. Oh, one name. Okay, I read here. Your sister will read here. You read 2 questions. I read 1 Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido, Buchie, Kechie, Genti, Yiri, Yiku, Wo, kill. Good. Kroniaka. Oh yeah, number 25. Otu, Abo, Bido, De,
right.
Kroniaka. Okay. Okay. Otu. Nena. Otu. abo, ato, bido, go, chota, fine, besa, ki, bia, come, rie, eat, basa, spread. Corn ya ka no nwetara ya. Okay, ngwa from number bido number 13, okay, number 7. Number 7, otu, abụọ, atọ, bido. Tufuo. Sie. Tụọ. Jikere. Kọnụ ya aka n'ụmụtara ya. Nwere nwanne gị nwere. Oya. Otu, abụọ, atọ, bido. Lee. Ṅụọ. Weta. Kwuo. Kpọọ. Gafọ. Kpọọ ya aka. For number 19. Otu, abụọ, atọ, bido. Kpuchie. Kechie. So this is English language. You call it here. You are using Igbo to this is English language. Kebi is Igbo. Kechie. Is it not tie off? Tie off. Then nke a bụ gịnị? Genti.
Yellow plus red is orange.
Iri.
When you full of
Gbuo. That is it. Kill. Okay. Kọrọ na onwe na-aka ụmụaka. Kọrọ na onwe na-aka. Ugbu a, aga m ebido ajụjụ. But I will help you in asking the questions what I will ask. Now, mechie akwụkwọ gị. Mechie means close. Mepe means open. Mechie means close. Mepe means open. Mechie means close. Mepe means open. Ugbu a mechie. I'm the only one that will go through. Okay, who can tell me? How do we say rie? Well, what is the meaning of that? Ask me English so you might not know exactly. I say eat is what? Rie. Okay, go in Igbo is what? Cook in Igbo is what? Why so smart like this? Oh yeah, come in Igbo is what? Yeah. Okay. Find in Igbo is what? Chota, that's fine. When you are finding something, looking for something, chota. Okay, like your person has fell down, I chota. Chota person, chota. Find it. You understand? Okay, so then what about sweet? Sweep is what? Sweep, as into sweep house. Can you understand Igbo? Sweep. Sweep is what? Oh, we got there. Sweep is what? Oh. We don't. Sweep is what? Olak. Sweep is what?
Olako.
No, it's not Olak. It's Olak is laughing at you. I said sweep is Olak. Okay. Sweep is za. Sweep is what? Za. Sweep is what? Za. So when you want to say sweep the house, how do you say?
Za the house.
Za the house, right? So wonderful. Za the house. So you don't know what they call house again in Igbo.
Yeah.
Can you have a house in Igbo? Olu. Yeah, that's the answer, not Olu. Not Ulu. Ulo. Okay, now if I say sweep the house, when I say boot. Yes, so boot is what? What about drink? Drink what? Drink. More. Not more. Is more. Drink is what? More. What about trash or throw away? Trash or throw away? Yeah, they are the same thing. They are the same. Or throw away. How do you say it in Igbo? Trash or throw away. They have. You said it here. Yes. Trash or throw away is too full. Is what?
Too full.
Too full, yeah. Throw it away. Too full. Okay. Then, how do you say buy? To go and buy something. Buy.
Naira. Zuta.
Zota. Wow, very good. Zota. Okay, now, everybody going to use Zota to make sentence for me, but I will help you. I will help you to translate for me. I will say in English, you translate in Igbo for me. I will start with you just a two-way sentence. Now, I'll start with Okuchukwu. Choya. Buy book. What is book in Igbo? What is book in Igbo? I don't know. Don't know? You don't know. Book is akwụkwọ. Everybody, book is what? Akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. This is book. This is akwụkwọ. Buy book. Zota. You're talking about Zota. Zota akwụkwọ. Udochukwu, buy clothes. Food. Zota aqua. Zota aqua. Machi, buy food. Tell me how we say it in English. Buy food. Machi, buy food. What to say? Oh, that's only one. Remember, buy food is what? Zota nri. Zota nri. Good. Then, Ozoma, buy plates. Ozoma, buy plates. Huh? Zota efere. Nina. Nina. Buy cup. Buy cup. Zota iko. Zota iko. Yes, iko is cup. Olako. Buy chair. Buy chair. No, it's not you. Oh yeah, translate it. Buy chair. How do you say it in Igbo? You don't know. Oh, yeah. Your sister. Buy chair. Two of you translate it for me. Baiche means what? So, what is che? What is che in Igbo? First, what is che in Igbo?
Oche.
Oche. So baiche means.
Oche.
Baiche means. Baiche means. Zota oche. Baiche means what? Zota oche. That is baiche. Okay. Honor. Uganda ya. Echawo. Buy beer. Buy beer. Don't know. Zuta beer. So what is beer in Igbo? Ube. Zota ube. Olisa. Buy orange. Olisa, buy egg.
Wait, what?
Buy egg.
Buy egg.
What is egg?
Egg.
Buy egg.
Mechiamu kwanu.
Mechie. Zota aqua. Yes, zota aqua. Now, class, weta means what? Weta. Bring. Weta means what? Bring. Now, if you know it, raise up your hand and answer me. Bring yam. Bring yam. Bring yam. As I told you that weta means bring. So now I said bring yam. How do you say it in Igbo? Bring yam. Ejima wants to answer, but they do not answer. Okay? Okay, bring rice. Bring rice. What is bring rice? Bring rice. So what is bring? What is bring?
Wait.
I want to bring.
Bring
is what? What is Igbo?
Bring, like bring this cup, bring this bag. What is bring in Igbo?
What is the meaning of bring? How do you say bring in Igbo? Bring is an English word. Igbo part of it. Bring. B-R-I-N-G. That's the English word bring. So how do you say it in Igbo? Class, what is bring again? Weta. So when you say bring rice, how do you say it in Igbo? What is rice in Igbo?
Good. Olisa tell us again. Ginibu rice.
Osikapa is rice. So bring rice means weta osikapa. What about bring water? Bring water. Yes. Weta miri. Bring fish. Weta azu. Bring meat. Yes. Wetanu. Bring broom. Broom. You don't know what is broom. When you have broom, bring broom. Broom is what? Broom. B-R-O-O-M.
Does this system
Broom that you use to sweep. Keriana, where in Igbo?
In Igbo, does it still sound with B?
No, that's a different name. Keriana, what is broom now? Where?
No broom yet.
Odisa, am I able broom? What is it? Oh, I don't know what is broom.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
Don't you know what is broom? Okay, now let me tell you
And what forgot?
Stop that. Stop that. What can you do? Broom is Aziza. Broom is what?
Aziza. That's sweet.
That we used to sweep. I say broom that we used to sweep. That is Aziza. That is what?
Aziza.
So when I say bring broom, what does it mean?
Bring Aziza. No,
Hey.
Weta Aziza.
Weta Aziza. What I keep saying? Good. Weta Aziza. Some people are still listening. Some people are not.
Can you see their names?
What is the meaning of Icha? Icha, clean.
Clean.
Oh, you are doing okay. Icha means what?
Clean.
Then how do you say in the house? In the house?
In the house is different.
Icha ulo. That is in the house. Icha. How do you say wash in Igbo? Wash. As in sa. Then translate. Wash plate. Wash plate. It's only one person that has to. Wash plate. Efere. Sa efere. Wash clothes. What is clothes in Igbo? Wash clothes. Okay, wash clothes. Is what? Sa aqua. Wash chair. Sa
Where's your book is opened? I'm not even in the correct page.
Wash pot. Sa ite. Good. Sa ite. Okay, without carry on, we don't catch up.
Yes,
All these things that we just did now start coloring. Kachara chanile. We don't like that. I go.
just sleep. She will help you.
Don't do your own thing.
Oh no, she's very sleepy. Do I go to
Yes, that's all.
help her?
Where you stop?
Where is all your color? But what is? No, this is your color.
Iri asatọ na abụọ.
Is it that yet? Oh my god.
Gịnị bụ iri asatọ na abụọ? Mepee ebe ahụ. Kedu ihe?
81.
Iri asatọ na abụọ. Iri asatọ. Iri asatọ.
She said 81.
Gịnị? Iri asatọ na abụọ. Like esi what? Na abụọ.
82. Everywhere good.
What is nye?
First color is white.
Nye means what? Give.
So you have a different type of shade. Why is my favorite
What actually mean you are married?
That is mine. Why? That was mine.
When you're there, when you're not candy mad. Kedu ihe ị na-achọ? Kedu ihe ị na?
Gịnị ka ị na-achọ?
It's not mine.
Hmm?
Kedu
I didn't
kọrọ?
want it.
Ugo na kedu kọrọ? Kedu kọrọ gị? Oh, kedu ndị ọzọ? Kedu ọzọ? Mgbe ọ yọkọrọ.
Ya? Lee go. Lee anya n'akwụkwọ gị.
Not your phone.
Is it possible to color this out?
Keep that thing. Before they will start to keep for it down. Come, go
And you
on.
color this one, I'll color
What are it?
color what? This.
Yeah, kọrọ.
Not too bad. Maybe just closer.
Olisa debe gịnị ka ị na-eme? Kachawa na. Kedu.
Oh, see, baby.
Hola.
It's already white. We need another pair of white to make the shade there.
Alejo. Olisa debe kachawa. Akwa crayon gị na ebe ahụ ị na-achọ ịnata mmadụ crayon gị ya. Oshi ahụ.
Where's my color? Hey!
Nobody can should touch you.
Why did this? I said my sister being that actually. Oh, you started that? Stop calling his name. Stop calling his name for calling himself. What? What? Mama, coming out. Why did I damage my colors? Stand back. This is what I wanted.
Olisa debe gịnị bụ gaa? Gịnị bụ gaa? What is
Why
that?
can't I get color brown? Okay, I want blue. Your blue is your blue. Your blue is here. No, your blue is not there. That is hey, did you take my sister's blue? This is my blue. No, that was right here.
Nne na kachawa o. Coloring.
Oh, this is your purple doll. Sorry. Where did you go now? Why did you start on my arrangement? I don't know, Mama. I don't want to say, Mama. Oh, well, I already said it, sir. I already said it. What do you mean? Mama, I already said it. Papa. It's a purple. Yeah. Love purple. It is not very easy for us because this one is taking slow. Diana, why are you doing that to me? Why are you doing this? This is not how to color. I'm coloring what I don't know. Why am I doing this now? So stupid. So stupid.
Put it here.
Look how I went to my own. I'm not arranging it. Good. This is how I did. But did you just bring up your shirt? I'm just color everything purple. No! You look like this. Let me just give you the cup thing. Oh my hiccup thing. You do what I want. Oh my hiccup thing.
Color. Catino Cachao. I can push on. So stop. It's almost time.
That's our.
The coloring.
Almost time for ending of class. For the one I'll tell you to know. What are you doing this? It was you. Why are you doing it? He's not going to the hand. Look at you. You did not even do this. What do you mean? Ow! Then hand it over to her. You guys will go to work. Stop it today. It could take me an hour to color this boy. It could take me an hour to color this side and this side. Me too, it took me an hour. 44, that is 7 days. Eh? 24 hours is 1 day. 24 hours is 1 day. No, yes, actually it's 4 hours. 1 day.
No,
it is 21 days. If it's not 7 days, 20 plus 24 plus 24 7 times. That is how many days?
14 days.
So 7 hours per whole day. That's not good. That's good, but it's like 2 or 1 day.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Why did I yummy? Is it because you want?
Why do I have two skin colors?
What is my own?
It's on one.
No, no. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done with this one? Look. Why do you? Why do you not? Mama, cover this one.
Okay. Take a man. What's incredible when I put that black one? Yeah. Go to look and possible colors.
Princeton. Welcome. Yeah. Princeton, yeah. Why? Princeton, yeah. Olive. Olive. Olaco. Olaco. Ìjẹ́ ìyìn ụra. Ị chọrọ ịkacha? Biko njikere ịkacha. Olaco, you don't want that to go out. It broke.
Yeah, I was using it, but it's hard to post things because it's big.
Nena. CKO. Well done. Okay. What's the deal? What do you mean? Then, I'm going to I like it now.
Second bus. Where is the bus?
You must go.
Okay. I didn't know.
And why is it that?
Olisadebe. Ide egwu. You are playing. Kachiwa n'ọrụ gị na gịnị mere taa? Chineke don't want to come. Why you coming today? Because we go to nwanne m nwoke gọmenize ya Puchuku. Nakatakwa ya. Okay, so
Why
you
do I
are
have two? Why do I have two fishes? Oh,
We
one
are
is
looking
for
for
my
fish.
sister.
Are you sure? Maybe.
Maybe my sister doesn't have two. No, Mackie doesn't. Let me do the way how she did this for her.
Aspire. Okuchuka there in Kachaki. Where are your colors? Your colors. Kachara color ke hina yo man color. Are you asking someone to say? You're cold. Uncle? Yeah, you come and try and use it. Wow.
I put the book under my book.
Whatever.